People, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Whose time is it to get Badmind? None other than Kabaka Pyramid. He got his Negro wake up call. Theme time to get Badmind, cause you know anytime I talk about your favorite artist and favorite celeb them, the simpleton response is you're Badminding. So who's next on the Badmind train? Come in Sir P and drive them insane. Yeah, hey. I got this stuff to carry. Badmind time. Kabaka Pyramid. Why me talk about Kabaka? Recently, we see it come out say shows get cancelled and Kabaka Pyramid's European tour got real spooky for him. He was accused of being, saying make anti-Semitic comments. And the people in Europe say, not here guy, that not gonna work guy. Should have showed over this so cancel that one day, and the one over there so cancel that. I'm gonna talk about it. Because remember, artists get covered under, it's just art. And even when they make certain expressions, it's still, they get a lot of leeway because, well, he's an artist, so he can express himself in that way and that way. Are you sure? That didn't seem to apply to Kabaka Pyramid. Right. Not only him never get to freely express himself, but he couldn't even freely express an opinion he has on an issue. I thought the artist had leeway. Unicorn meat. See, Jamaican artists like their Yankee Saxon counterparts are given free rein to literally endorse murder. Badness is where we endorse. Viral hit song. All na church them played. Badness them endorse. You see many platforms. The Yankee Saxon them kill with you. Julio from Florida. He went to a cemetery to shoot film music video. Cemetery with pictures of his dead ops. Viral. Tens of millions of views. Yes about guy. Those are real stories, real ops, and real war. Yeah, but it's music and it's art and but if you say certain things about a certain community, the same platforms them cancel you. And run you on fight, say you hurt people and you incite violence. Has to be studied. The Irish Saxon, like the Yankee Saxon, no say their message is self-destructive, but it's allowed to pass under the disguise of art. And their bosses allow them to get away with it as long as it's aimed at certain people, not the VIPs of this world. Because evidently some groups are VIPs. You see, it's art and it's expression of the artist, whether it's in a song or on a stage or even in a small setting, because them say, well, that's what artists do, they express themselves. So even if they're here saying, big up, Termite, and Termite and Madan and Manasap support Termite, he's still an artist and he's a unicorn, as me say. Art so long as the targets are not people whose life really matter, it seems. Are you tuned in today? Are you ready for this one? This is what you have to understand. Some groups, some people don't drop no catch. Some communities don't drop no catch. Anything where them interpret as a slight, even if it is an accurate statement, they might check you. The Jewish community one of them groups. Them not give no room to make this go turn into that. From them here, anything them interpret as a slight against them, people are get checked. It's almost like them have a zero skin teeth policy. To the point where now people are saying, hold on guy, you take this too far because that statement wasn't even that bad. It don't matter, checked. Man I get checked like them I play checkers. Man I get checked like them I play chess. Be a check-in. And them don't just cuss and make noise. Them will boycott. Them hit people where it really hurt. In them pocket. Where you say you have show? Not anymore. Where you say you get booking? Not anymore. That's one of the big difference between these communities and like Jamaicans who just make nice. Sit up on the veranda and say, John, no dog, yo, the man a wicked dog, and then still got him show. Them say, oh, John, no dog, the MP a thief, and then still got the polls go vote for the same MP. Because Irish Saxons just like to complain. They don't actually take action. Even if you point out how they can fix the problem, they don't do nothing. This is how Irish Saxons do. They mill down in the water drown. And you throw them one life jacket. When the jacket drops side of them, into the water as them a drown, the jacket make the water splash up and catch them in their face. Now they start complaining the water catch them in their face. And because you make water catch them in their face, they now put on the jacket, so go suck him and they rather drown. That's the Irish Saxon. Irish Saxon, we know one house and the house are burned down. And you throw him on fire extinguisher. And you give him the clear instructions how to use the fire extinguisher. And when him look, him see said, the extinguisher, yellow. And him start to say, yo, this is not a real one, dog. Me no use fake things, my youth. See me I say? Cause this, my dog, cause you throw yellow extinguisher and every extinguisher me know red. So you me I say, hold that back, my youth. Call all him friend that the middle of the house about down. Yo, you know, say, man does this, my dog. The man carry one yellow extinguisher come give me. Show say him no rate me. Always miss the bigger picture. Refuse to take action. Him not concerned about putting out the fire in him picnic room so he can grab them and run out. All him are concerned about is whether the extinguisher come from China or Vietnam. And if he rate him, he go buy one from America, because America sell the real thing. That's the Irish Saxon. Just love complain. Him tell the same a dead for thirst, and when you carry the water come in, say, hold on, this is purified water. And mineral water me drink straight from the spring. This year, this me. So these people don't just make nice and say, boy, Jada dog get rough. Them take action. You know, not catch guy. Whether you want to like them or not, that is just the reality. Them no drop no catch. And them no skin no teeth. Many Irish and Yankee Saxons have learned this the hard way. The music industry allow the black artists to big up any Dan, N87. The industry say, guy, you can even go as far as to publicly endorse and make it known say you fund Tesha Miller and Tickman and Termite. Who are the majority of the people them man they kill off? It's certainly not Guy from Guzungung. Who are the majority of their victims? When you talk about a girl this and a girl that, which woman they talk about? What the majority? Who they talk about? It's black women, it's black people. But the industry say, guy, this is okay, because you're an artist, do your thing. But the same industry, the same entertainer, the same concert venue, where man going to go talk about them, go up on the ends and kill all the people them. We say, yeah man, forward man, because that's art, because them know say, quote unquote, the pitting them talk about the pitting them run a march, when the pitting them run a Larry stand, the pitting them a Salt Spring, they not talk about our pitting them. So, since they're not our pitting them, make them do what they do. But the day them step out of line, they will be reminded how this really work. DJ guy, I dare you to publicly endorse Joseph Mangala. Let's put your It's Just Art to the test. But anywhere in Europe, North America, and build no tune, right, make your white daddy ear, you talk about endorsing Joseph Mangala. Remember when time the Oompa Loompa looking fellow said, Badness will be endorse. Alright, change the lyrics to Joseph Mangala will endorse and see what that record for. Remember your artist, just words, not gonna hurt nobody. We'll see how much longer. We'll see how much more stage shows they get. Go on, test it. You're an artist, right? Free to express yourself in any way. Go on. You see, the music industry will defend the Irish Saxon and the Yankee Saxon when time I talk about, when time I push, when time I endorse death, destruction and degeneracy. in the community, the same industry suddenly draw the line when it comes down to certain people. What Kabaka Pyramid said, worse than what the Badmind DJ said. What Kabaka Pyramid said in his conversations is worse than what your favorite Badmind DJ has said over the years? No way. I'm not even talking about us in a song now, even on the stage or in a one room or whatever, privately, whatever, it doesn't matter. Kabaka Pyramid has not said anything remotely extreme to enough man say in an Iron Man and nothing come out of it. Nobody no pressure them nothing at all, because what they must say and who they must say it to. Who they must say it about. So now, Mr. Pyramid, I have to walk back him statement them. Listen to this. After they make him know, say, guy, when they run certain joke like how you make certain talk about Israel and look like you forget how this really work. So, metaphorically speaking, then box him down. I make him know, say, guy, that boxer just a warm up, you can't get much worse for you. Where they pan? Well, now we know what Kabaka Pyramid they pan. Cause him released a statement and he said it's not the Observer. He said it was released through his publicist, Ronnie Tomlinson. His statement read, I, Kabaka Pyramid, have a long-standing history of sharing conscious messages, social commentary and universal love through my music and actions for over a decade. The assumptions derived from story posts and private DM conversations taken out of context should not be misconstrued as a public statement of a political position or opinion. My goodness, Kabaka. Kabaka, if you don't mean it, don't say it. What do you mean by it should not be misconstrued as a public statement of political position or opinion? Of course it is. But now you get checked. Of course it was a political position or opinion. This is my problem with these guys. Don't say it then, guy. Of course it was an opinion. You are allowed your opinion. Matter of fact, as an artist, you get to go even further. And your opinion can be channeled into art and can be anything you want it to be. Remember? But Kabaka, let me just say this. Because as an artist, I don't know you as no man to really push certain things like that. In the scale of acidic entertainers, you're not even registered upon this scale. I don't know Kabaka Pyramid in real life, I know him up in real life. But if you talk about acidic entertainers, Kabaka Pyramid don't even come to mind. But when him say this, should not be, when he mentioned about taken out of context and it should not be misconstrued as a public statement of political position or opinion, he's backtracking. Now, let me add this on top of it. In these situations, most artists go backtrack. Because Kabaka Pyramid know, say, as an artist, as a black Jamaican artist, even though they make up much numbers in the industry, them don't really own and control nothing. And if he can go up on a limb, he might drop off it. So unless he's just the type of willing to drop off it and say, alright, screw this whole music nonsense, and me I stand for me say, right, then he must go backtrack. Most men are willing to die upon a hill. Metaphorically speaking. When it comes on to certain issues. He goes on to state, I want to clarify that I am not anti-Semitic or against any race or group. See, he must go as far as to make them kind of statement there. Was anybody under the impression that Kabaka Pyramid was leading any kind of charge against the body? I didn't get that. But you must make sure to clarify where I'm depend. That's how that community is serious. Guy, not only you have to go backtrack what you say, but you better make it clear where you're depend. This is a different type of badness, This type of badness is wickeder than any clansman and one other, Because clansman and one other shoot off of you. Them man your body up without even rising a single 38 revolver. This is sophisticated badness. When they make man have to clear up with, just like a gunman that tell us, hey boy, you better fix the statement in the way they pan. And I said, no my boss, what I really mean is that, it's me my boss, this is the bigger level of this now. They must say, yo, where they pan? Say it with your chest. Kabaka Pyramid and say, yo, what chest? Right now I'm chestless. Right now I'm not even nourished by chest hospital there. But they even want to play chess. So I make it clear. Don't misconstrue it as a public statement of political position or opinion. Right now, I have no opinion. And just so we're clear, right, I am not anti-Semitic or against any race or group. He goes on to state, I denounce any form of violence and terrorism against innocent individuals worldwide. He might drop in one song. My song, Worldwide Loves, reflects my stance. So the man I'll drop one song will fit it. Now, when you hear somebody come and say, I love everybody, and I don't have nothing against nobody and no group, 99% of the time it's unicorn meat. It's a PR statement. Not against any race or group. Group? What is a group? There are a whole heap of groups in this world. None of them worth being against. They're not against any. But in these situations, what I always tell the artists is, if you don't mean it, don't say it. And don't forget that the it's just words, it's just a myth. Because people get carried away. But of all the people the European guys could have started cancer show for, and who they don't want in them place, it's Kabaka Pyramid. Of all the people, of all the Jamaican artists, where them no want perform in a Europe, you're telling me that Kabaka Pyramid is at the top of that list? Of all the Jamaican artists, of all the Irish Saxon artists, who have said all kind of things, whether in songs or on a stage show or in interviews, in a club or mic, of all the Irish Saxons, Kabaka Pyramid is the one who gets show cancelled. Kabaka Pyramid, he's now the face of rejection for what we stand for. Stand for what, guy? Kabaka Pyramid? I can name 30 Irish Saxon artists at the top of my head without even trying, who have said more outlandish things. More the when I talk about what can be interpreted, because Kabaka Pyramid can argue that, well, you are interpreted that way. When I talk about direct statements against specific groups, and then can still tour and go yes and do this, and Kabaka Pyramid is where the line is drawn. That's fascinating to me. Jackass say world on the level. Them turn Kabaka Pyramid into Kabaka Gandhi. Remember, the music industry, I mean I talk about not just the artists them or even the record labels, I mean the whole, from even the people who have the venue them and them people, or the stage show them keep. All these people enjoy hearing all kinds of demonic lyrics aimed at other people. Because some of these lyrics are straight up from the darkest part of the precipice. Let me give you an example of what the music industry allows these Negroes to get away with. There is a rapper guy named 21 Savage. You must know him if you want to follow up hip hop. And even if you don't follow up hip hop, you probably hear about him because he have a big album with Drake and no fit song and all kind of stuff. Even him name Spooky, 21 Savage. He have a song called My Chopper Hates Negroes. I've never seen Negroes. Chopper, a gun that. They not talk about the chopper like Iron Man chopper, like scammer. A gun them a call chopper. Rifle. Hates Negroes. Listen to this. This is a song. A song that has never been cancelled. A song that has never been under any kind of scrutiny where they must say, no, this is too far. We can't have him perform on no venue because this is just straight up too far. This is the chorus to the song. You cannot convince me these Yankee Saxons and Irish Saxons are another group of self-hating demons. I'm telling you, there's something wrong with our people and our culture. I can't see any other group of people writing a song like this, even coming up with the idea to say something like this. Listen to the lyrics to the chorus. You might got a pistol, but the stick is way bigger. Again, when them say stick, him not talk about stick where you broke in a bush. Gun him a talk about. long magazine. You might got a pistol, but the stick is way bigger. I call it KKK, cause my chopper hate niggas. You can't find no Jew guy who would write any song, whether it's satire, no Jew guy who would ever go into Israel and sing no song saying you might have a pistol, but the stick is way bigger. I call it Nazis. I call it Hitler. Cause my chopper hates Jews. You will never hear a Jew sing that. You will never hear. Understand there's a reason why they meet a girl and destroy the community. Kill off so much black pitney. Rape and murder of much black woman. These Saxons hate not just themselves but their own kind. Him could have found a million other ways to get him point across. But he might tell us say, him call him gun KKK. A group that is symbolic for their hatred of black people. Him call him gun KKK because it hate other Negroes. Hate. That is literally the title of the song. My chopper hate Negroes. Who writes this? Why would a black man sit down and write this? I'll tell you why. Because these are a bunch of self-hating Yankee Saxons. The industry find them, handpick them, turn them in a star, give them whole heap of money, flash them in front of the people, and the people them say, wow, that's so great. Just like Karis one explained to you how the machine work. Them find the worst of the worst and say, guy, you are going to be the face, you're going to be the standard. When the crowd with them say, hold on, but he must have do something right, cause him rich. I mean, I'm not rich, him rich, so I must the same thing there. I must the same thing there, cause look at him and look at the whole of him friend them. Look at them. Man live like, them a live great. All by design. Why would a black man sit down and write this? He could have come up with anything else. These people are demons walking the earth, you know. The simple talent, you're reading too much into dog, are just words. So why it not just words when it comes on? To boom bye bye. When the DJ go up on the stage or amongst him friend them and talk about, yeah man, Tesha the real Dan. And them say, well, you know, he can express himself and have an opinion. Why Kabaka Pyramid can't have an opinion then? Why is Kabaka Pyramid shows being cancelled for his opinion? One time an artist can tell us that turn my time, then I turn my thing there, and them say, well, just his opinion. We can't do anything. Don't you find that strange, simple guy? You spent 10,000 years at UWI and UTech only to leave not being able to see such basic flaws in that line of reasoning. Him call him gun KKK because it hates Negroes. Hate! It's not the Jewish guy's fault that you're willing to be entertained by anything. It's not. When it comes down to our community, we are entertained by anything. If once the beat mad, other people don't run them joke there. You might not like it, I might not like it. But it's partially because we can't relate. Some people actually have standards. And understand this, you're all hypocrites and frauds when it comes down to this matter. Because if an artist drop on a song tomorrow and say, hey, if maybe a girl in Eagle Line shouldn't give me this word and tear off our clothes. Right now there's a big argument going around about the song, Lick Down Police and Speed a Gun. People say just words and those songs. Alright, the same artist will sing the Speed a Gun song. Build one new tune and say if you beg one woman for some Eagle Line and she said no, you just lick her down and go and tear off her clothes and take it. Hey, simple guy. We claim to do big course for Winnipeg and UWI. Let's test your theory. Let's test your hypothesis. Shall we? Since we asked about Speed a Gun and those words and everything there, I'm with you. It's just words, it's art. So let's take it one step further. Let the same artist, all on the woman who said, are those words? May the same artist say, if me beg a girl on front, me just lick her down a ground and take that from her and run. I wonder if you not listen to me. DJ guy, sing that song yeah. If me beg a girl some front, and she not give me none, just lick her down a ground and take that and run. Sing that song there and see if the Jamaican woman them are gonna say just words. Guy, dog gonna name your supper. They may say, what kind of thing you promote? That is abhorrent. They may use every big word them learn up at you. They may dip into the moral chest bag because Jamaicans morals part-time, you know. It only works sometime. It's just words. What's the problem, guy? Be consistent. It's just words. But people will have a problem when the words matter to them or a group them care about. When they don't care about that group, then it's just words. Like, again, lick down police. Police are on nobody. Police are on nobody. Police are on the family. Suck them mama. Police are family. Police are friend. Police have mother and father. No, they don't. Police are nobody. Flip them down. Evidently, they're not a family and friends who care about them. So, guys, it's just words. Nobody's one of police. It's just music. Let's just all have fun. Let's just all have fun. You know your argument don't pass the logic test. But logic has never been your strong point anyway. What you care about is entertainment by any means, so long as entertainment don't target you or who you care about. Because any DJ guy come sing a song about if me beg a girl some front and she said she not give me none, some liquor down her ground. Tear off her clothes, take her needle and run. And then them say 3 rape in the following week we match the line where the song say that the DJ guy that got dig one hole over Dokat and bury himself. He must go dig one hole and bury himself alive for the people that want him. Every woman's rights group should have got fame. Mad. You said this and then all of a sudden this start happening? Too much coincidence. Let's hold them accountable. Them that start give be big words them learn from them course of Winnipeg. Them say the DJ can't influence but politician of DJ on stage that tell us well him can't help bring in votes. How him want to do that? He can't influence nobody. Remember? Just a shocking and jiving buffoon, anything that's all. He can't. He has no power. Apparently. I understand this. Some people don't run no joke with them religion. Some people don't run no joke with them God. Some people don't run no joke with them prophet. No joke at all. Not everybody's a court jester like you are, man. I don't agree with enough of the things enough of these people do. I think they're big time hypocrites on enough of these issues. Or them pick and choose when time words matter. But at the same time, probably because I can't relate. Because as a Jamaican, my born come see a poppy show society and culture where anything can go on as long as it's fun. Once you're full of vibes, we work with it. And everybody stays so. Remember one time the Muslim guy threatened war in Europe because they will draw cartoons of Muhammad. Remember that? At the time internet come to the news back in the day, I was thinking, what's the problem with that cartoon? But that's not what the Muslim guy was saying. He was saying, go draw your mama. Right, don't draw Muhammad. No cartoons, no depictions. The man them serious about them thing. Some people are serious. Jamaicans can't relate because Jamaicans claim say them are Christian and them love God more than everybody else. And them favorite artist is the man who tell them say F at the church getting a spirit. Wonder if you're listening to me. Work where I get ready for work right now. Work where I get ready for work. The Jamaican. The Irish Saxon. Most Rastas per square mile. Most churches per square mile. Most jacket picnic per square mile. Right. Most consciousness and all kind of unicorn meat nonsense. Meanwhile, living in a society where you can get hit songs by talking about defecating a your eyeball and them sitting there. Remember Jamaicans think God love them more than everybody else. Everybody is God's favorite. Every Jamaican is God's favorite. It has to be studied. Them love God more than everybody else. They can't wait to tell you one Bible verse. But their favorite artist is the man who say effing at the church, getting a spirit. The church and the God of them claim them love so much. Them favorite artist is the man who say, running at the church, him not cure me a sinner. All if I the pastor lap you in, he shot you. That's for them favorite artists. No guy in Israel can say, effing at a synagogue and getting a spirit, him half he left Israel. By morning before the sun come up, him have to left that. No guy. No guy at all. In a Saudi Arabia. In a Oman. Can say effing at the mosque. And get him half he left before the sun come up, him half he left. And all him pit them half he left with him. Iron man. The same guy who tell us him love church and God tell us say, yeah, but he say, yeah, but the tune bad though, dog. So I say, the tune bad, but I want to tell man, let's have a look of fun, man. Have a look of fun, dog. So I say, yeah, take it too serious, man. That's what he tells himself, so he can keep playing both sides of the fence. D-man during the week, Saturdays and Sundays reserved for the Lord. Hallelujah. It's just funny to me how they pick and choose when time them say words matter when it don't. The same artist. The great artist, not the great man, but the great artist, Buju Banton, is the same artist that said, I quote, you think we laugh? We don't laugh to kill people and drink blood. Man fi dead, make them know we not save the lead, gunshot for bust up in a informer head, end quote. The same Buju Banton also said, boom bye bye in a sprat head. But the Reggae Compassionate Act did not care about the informer part. That part is just words. That part is art. But they make the artists them kneel down. They make the artists them sign Compassionate Act about Ice-Sprat Backerman's community. Why wasn't Buju Banton protected by the It's Just Art for Boom Bye Bye? None of you so-called educated folk cannot explain this all now. None of you, it's just words, it's just art. None only can explain why Informer for Dead by Buju Banton never make him have a sign Compassionate Act and him have to walk back this and say nothing again. None only can explain that. When the two song them, I talk about the same end result, somebody go dead. Gunshot in their head. But one I get it carry my Informer and the next one get it carry my Sprat. But only the Sprat is murder music. The chorus them owner do not coursing enough. The course is not coursing, guy. All that studying and no critical thinking. It's embarrassing. The elites know full well that music is not those words. I must say, if they did, then Boom Bye Bye wouldn't come on that pressure will come on. Man. Jamaican artists, Irish Saxon artists have songs that go in a way more vivid detail than even Boom Bye Bye. Boom Bye Bye is actually tame compared to some of the songs the dancehall artists making. When you see Europeans getting their feelings and start acting all shot like, oh my god, like they were saying boom bye bye in the like, oh no. Like my morals just make me can't listen because meanwhile their whole favorite artists have tune are going to detail about shut out the marrow and the bird come down and fly and yam the marrow. Way more vivid details. Boom bye bye is tame. What Kabaka Pyramid said is tame compared to what artists have said over the years. It's just interesting how and when words matter. It has to be studied. The black artists don't own the big labels, the big publishing and the big distribution, this and that. The people who do tell him that songs like My Chopper Hates Negroes is fine, it's just words. But if you change the Negroes to, you know, Yankee talk about the N-word. My chopper hates N-words. But watch this now. If 21 Savages change the N-word to the J-word, or change the N-word to the H-word, It's cancelling time. That makes sense, no? I guess years of low frequency music has eroded their brain cells, which is why I have to use the BCC, the brain cell condom. They don't even see that the inherent flaw in the, music is just art argument is exposed by the artists themselves. The actions of the artists themselves show you say, them know music is not just words, because then come tell us, so my music hurt people and my music might incite violence against this group only, so me nah sing it again. So the artists don't even believe what the artist fan say. Fan, someone if you go start on AC, time to upgrade. But bro, it's just art, Well, the art is fart, and you can't be that smart if you don't see how, as I said with Buju Banton, killing farmer is okay, but kill Sprat isn't. DJ guy, stay in your lane. This is what they're telling you. This is what your daddy I tell you. Stay in your lane, Irish Saxon. Keep calling black women and black girls bees and hoes and all them something. Defecate them eyeball on stage and the middle of your set and all them things. That's fine. And when you talk about the police are ground, make sure you talk about JCF. Because if you hear us a little NYPD are ground, or LAPD are ground, or a little Scotland Yard are ground, or a little the Canadian Mount, hey guy, we gonna show you something. So make sure it's a JCF you talk. You understand me? Yes, daddy. Yes, daddy. You can uncancel me, show them please. Thank you. Let me say if you talk about them favorite artists, them see a bad mind. So this is not an attack on Kabaka Pyramid. If he have sense and listen to himself, he will realize that's the case. But if he does take an offense to it, then join the line, then pick a number and join the line. Welcome to the Can't Wait for Serpy Dead crew. It's a very big crew. I think so I scare them. But you DJs, all the years now sing song and sing their foolishness. I know nothing. I'm not talking about in the car or no house or no chain and them something. I'm not talking about own nothing. As in the industry won't look like on the dominate. But when you look behind the scenes, who are call the shots? We know who are call the shots. People are going to go up on the knee and say, sorry, I'm not singing that song again. Sorry, this isn't just art. That is just art. Badness that way we endorse, that's just art. But this of it, no. That's hurtful. That hurt people and it's got side violence. I'm sorry, daddy. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.